Hey folks, it's Brian O'Neill with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck. And today we're going to do another walk around. I'm very excited to introduce you to this 2019 Hino 268 with a 26-foot stake bed on the back and a tuck-away lift gate. This is a really popular configuration. For those that aren't familiar, Hino is Toyota's commercial truck. So when you buy a Hino, you're getting Toyota's legendary dependability and quality. I'm going to get out of the way of the cameraman so that you can have a good look at this cab. It's a great looking cab. It is rugged and it is tough. It's powered by an 8-liter turbo diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission. That's a great combination of power, reliability, ease of operation, and fuel economy. Drivers really love it. It's bulletproof and super easy to drive. This powertrain is backed by a 250,000 mile or 5-year warranty, and that's an industry leading warranty. In addition, this truck comes standard with Hino Watch, which is 24/7, 365 roadside assistance. So if you ever have a problem, you've got that roadside assistance to help you out. And the option that I'm the most excited to share with you is Hino Insight. Hino is the only fully connected truck on the market. And when you buy a Hino, you're getting the Hino Insight, which has 3 components: telematics, case management, and remote diagnostics. What that means to you as a business owner is that you're going to know where this truck is at, how it's being driven, how the truck itself is operating. It's got route scheduling capability, GPS tracking, and you're going to have that on your desktop, on your tablet, and on your telephone. And it's going to save you money, and you are going to love it. Let's take a look inside the cab. I'll open this door up and take a walk around. As we go around this truck, it's going to be easy for you to notice that it was really designed for the operator, right down to where the grab holds are, the steps, making it easy to get in and out of the truck. And once you're inside, it is nice and comfortable. This cab is set up for 3 folks. It's got a bench seat for 2 on the passenger side. It has an air ride captain's seat, which gives you a great view out the front. If you'll take a look at that, you can see that it's giving you really great visibility. Great visibility, ease of operation equals safety. This is a truck your drivers are going to really enjoy working out of. And we talked about it. It's an automatic, so it's just that simple. You put it in drive, you hit the gas, and you go. With that being said, let's take a look at the business end of this Hino 268 with a 26-foot Wil-Ro body and an Anthony 3,000-pound tuck-away liftgate. And if I didn't mention it, this is non-CDL, which is another benefit. I'll get these doors shut and come on around to that side of the truck. And we'll take a look at this stake bed. There's a few features on this that I'm really excited to share with you. Wil-Ro makes a great stake bed. This is 26 feet long, it's 96 inches wide, and if you'll come on in with the camera, I'll show you some of the features that really make this bed stand out to the competition. What we frequently see with some of the bodies that are out there, the stake bed bodies, is that the stakes themselves are light gauge, flimsy, and they simply don't last. These stakes, heavy duty gauge steel. It's not spot welded. It has nice welds on each side of the stake post. So the slats have got double welds, and then at the edges of each, it's got a double weld in the same spot. So these are extremely durable. They're going to give you lots and lots of years of use without getting bent, distorted, or having the actual slats fall off. Another thing that I really like is that they weld and label each one of the stake fences. So R1, which is the first fence on the right side, R2, R3, R4, and so on. So that if you're using this truck as a flatbed, you've got all of the stake sides off. It makes it really easy to put them back in, get them in the right spot, and get it fitting correctly. And it's a little bit of a jigsaw puzzle if those are not labeled, which is really what you normally see out there. This has a big headache rack up front, which helps keep your cargo secure and protected. It also protects the cab of the truck. You can see that it is actually higher than the cab of the truck, and it has a very nice cutout for the rear view window that actually matches up, so it's in the right place, and it's got steel mesh to protect that glass. I'll point out the suspension on this. This is a Hino 268. It has hydraulic brakes and spring suspension, which is the most popular spec that our customers are looking for in these stake beds. We'll work our way to the back, and I'm going to walk around to the other side of the truck, and we're going to take a look at the ratchet straps. So this truck will come standard with 6 ratchet straps, and we've got the pole there to tighten them down. And then on the side of the truck, we've got a track that those ratchets can slide in here behind the axle. And then at the front of the bed, from just in front of the axle all the way to the front, we've got a track where you'll be able to put your ratchet straps. And I've got one in here for demonstration purposes. And that gives you the ability to have unlimited adjustability of where you're putting those straps to secure your cargo. We think that's really a nice feature. Traditionally, the ratchet straps, you can only move them about a foot, so you've got to make the cargo fit where the ratchet strap is. In this case, put the cargo where you want it, and then you'll move the ratchet strap to secure it. And that's a really nice feature. Now, this truck is dock high. So this is a dock high truck. So if you're going dock to dock, this stake bed's going to work out just perfectly for you. But if you get in the field and there's not a dock, we've got a nice big Anthony all aluminum liftgate to help you get your cargo on and off. I'd like to point this out. It is a dock high truck, and it's got nice big dock bumpers. And what we commonly see is that the superstructure where the dock bumper is, you know, and this part of the liftgate of being light gauge and flimsy. And if that is the case, when you're actually using it the way you should and bumping it up against the dock, you'll see this stuff get bent, distorted, and tweaked, and it becomes a maintenance item. And that's not going to be the case with this truck. This is heavy gauge steel tube. We've got some nice steps that make it easy if you're needing to climb up to get in the back of the truck, and a huge gusset as well to provide some strength here. And then the threshold for the liftgate here is heavy duty gauge steel tread plate as well that the liftgate will marry up to. Now, taking a look at the liftgate itself, it's a 3,000 pound capacity, so it's plenty strong to get whatever you're want loaded up in the truck. It's got an aluminum platform. We really like the aluminum. It's got a couple good benefits. One, it's not going to corrode. 2, it's light, so it's a lot easier on your guys out there, a lot easier on their back when they're folding this up or unfolding it to use it out in the field. This is a wedge style liftgate, so you're going to see that it's got a very thin lip. So if you're using a two-wheeler or you're using a pallet jack to get your cargo on this liftgate, that makes it very easy. With that being said, I think we've done a great walk around of this Hino 268 with a 26-foot long Wil-Ro stake bed and an Anthony 3,000 pound all aluminum liftgate. If you don't need a 26-foot stake bed, we've always got 21-foot stake beds in stock and ready to go. On this truck and on any of our trucks, we can get you financed for 84 months. We can get you set up for a track lease, and we can deliver the truck to you anywhere in the nation within just a few days. These trucks to build depend on truck inventory, body inventory, liftgate inventory. So we try to keep these assembled and in stock, ready to go, so that you don't have to wait several weeks to get a truck. If you've got a need, we can get it right to you. Next time you need a stake bed truck, think IP Truck. Visit us online at iptruck.com or give us a call if you have any questions. You can also follow us on Facebook or subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we're constantly bringing new inventory online. Thank you.